Hello all, welcome to our channel. So this is a very important one is called SEO on page patterns. If we go to SEO on page, so what are the patterns are very important. First of all, your structure, meta title tag, meta description, meta keyword, alt tag, header tag, canonical URL. So today I can explain here. I'll show anchor text also. Complete 8 steps I can show you in the particular video. Guys, very careful to watch and practice it. If you go to any particular website, I'm selecting this, my website will be here, tallestnews.com. Sir, why we can selecting for this website? Any news you have to come into this market, the easily update will be into the particular news portal. When you are perfect add the content on your news portal, it is getting for more traffic on your website. So most of the people getting traffic purpose upload the latest content. If you go to YouTube, there is go to Explorer, option name is called trending. So why we can selecting trending videos? So which is the YouTube trending one that is helped by the your particular website getting more traffic. Sir, suppose third party videos can upload my website, any issues? Not like that. So what are the content you have upload on your website? Direct video, YouTube to YouTube, there is a problem. But YouTube to website, no problem. So here one song is released. The song will be here. But first of all, understanding song. Almost Padipoyane Pilla. This is the song name. Lyrics. Daska Damki, Vishwak Sen, Nivita. So they are using for these names will be into a YouTube channel. So first this name we can copy from the notepad option or Word document, anything you can select. First select by notepad. After this will be adding for Word document. After this, why we can selecting for notepad? Why after selecting your Word document? Plain text purpose. Why? Because you can backend will be copy. Lot of things is missing. Suppose you can go this copy will be here in Word document. What will happen? They post like this. Will be you can using for the plain text. So you can copy paste from notepad to Word document. Nothing will be issue. After that, notepad close. So this is your existing YouTube title. This title, how to write in your own way. Almost all Padipoya Pilla. This is a song, movie song here. So first of all, we can utilize them. What is the movie? Click for show more. Here is the select here. Everything will be here. So we can okay. We can using for here movie song. You can using for your song is there. This is the you can particular use this option will be here. So coming to this content, good admin option. Here, in this content uploading will be two process. Direct video option, direct post option. But I'm selecting will be post option. Here, first of all, you can download by the YouTube thumbnail image downloader. Reason, I have to download by the YouTube thumbnail image. I don't have an image for particular video. So I can download from using YouTube thumbnail downloader will be here. Or else, we have one more option is there. Same song you can search from the Google. They are showing number of images. They're showing for n number of images. So this same video image can I use or not? You can use another image also. But when saving time, this image, what are the title you mention? Right click, save image as. We can click for download, paste it. Here it is. So what are the your title mention and image name both are same. Reason when search anyone this name into here, they're showing what is called youtube.com, Telugu songs lyrics, Telugu film nagar, uh, M song lyrics, flash morning. They how they show, they're showing some like that tollycinews.com also, where in a Google images. So that is called when I mention your title and image title, both are will be same. After this one, song will be copied on the YouTube URL. If your own image required, you can download from here. Copy this. This is the exact image. What is our thumbnail? Same image. But I'm little bit changed from Google itself. I'm changing image. Reason? Little bit changes purpose. So here is a song promo out now. Here is a number of things are here. What is the promo option is there? Here is that. So what is the in this here? So little bit changing image will be here. This is called here. Same every image will be same option. Nothing will be changed. We can here. So here is that. Is a too small image or big one. Movie song. A little I'm changing here. Copy, paste it. Add the here. After this one, what are the your anything here? Song credits. Open the notepad. I'm saying about that. What are the content you copy from YouTube or any other website? First paste by the notepad option. After this, copy the title, SEO title, but here movie song on film. Actor, what is the name is called? Because game video song here. Comma, we can writing for another names. Using will be comma. After that, you click for submit. So category is important, news, and submit it. After submit this one, go to news option. We can go to here, control U. First check for H1 will be header tag, alt is equal to image name, the specific image, the name is alt tag. Next will be canonical URL. The particular content will display by the canonical URL. So this is the method. You can write the proper title, description, keyword, canonical URL, header tag, and all tag options. Based on image, automatically we can visible this all options.